Good afternoon to our Honorable District Governor Leah Bautista, our dignitaries, my fellow co-presidents, the troopers, zonshans, and special guests. Our term is already in the tail end, and I am tasked to make a magic report. Oops, magis, I meant. M is for membership. We've been meeting regularly at different places like Nono's, at Milo's house, and the most recent was at Savannah Moon. Here, we discuss about our fundraising, a dance for a cause. I'm inviting all of you to buy a lot of tickets and be our partner. A is for advocacy. We have 3 A's. The first one is scholarships. We coordinated with Excel Technical Skills and Career Center, which is an accredited TESDA school. We had 60 students, and the training course was about special events. Okay? So I'm very proud to say that almost all of them have their own business already. Another A is reinforcing hygiene. Here, we partnered with Rekit and the LGU of Pasig. Together with us was Mayor Vico Soto, distributing it in 30 barangays of the city. Lastly, we had a film showing entitled Bosses, a film that touches on VAUSI. The producer and director Ellen Ongkenko Marfil, along with Coke Bolipata, the star of the show, including his orchestra as well, graced the event. This was in partnership with Pasig City and the Pamantasan of Lungsod ng Pasig, of which the 600 students who attended came from that school.
Violence against women and children is a public crime, RA 926.
G, governance. I believe this one is governance. Walang kukontra. I don't need to expound on this as I know everybody knows about that district conference. A lot were present during that event. So if wala kayo, sorry na lang. Ask your president. I, involvement. We were so as in involved with all the 30 barangays of Pasig. Through a collaboration with Senator Lauren Ligarda, we were able to provide financial assistance to 300 people from all the 30 barangays of Pasig. This project is called TUPAD, Tulong Pangkabuhayan sa ating displaced workers. Finally, S, service. We have this continuing project which was already awarded. We distribute porta beds to the mothers who will just give birth. Next, we had the bloodletting during the Foundation Day of Pasig. Again, this was in cooperation with the Office of Mayor Vico Soto and the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Pasig. We had 300 volunteers, but we were able to submit only 75 blood bags to the health center. The health center will now distribute them to the different hospitals in the city. So, this ends my magic magis. Okay? Thank you and good afternoon.